Hello guys, I'm in another video and I'm playing Blacksford with two max level players. One, this guy. Two, this guy. Mr. James, I can tell. Because that's the soul guitar. You need to be in third C to get that. That means he's max. And this guy, oh no, he's, oh actually he's third Z. Can you only get this trident in the third Z, or is that okay? I have autism. I don't play that much BC school. I'm gonna get V4 soon. I'm only gonna get my V3 because I'm only level 856 and I need level 1000 to get my V3 and I only have my V2. I'll show you. Can you show me? No, it only says I have race angel, but I'll show you that I have race V2. Not V2. Did I say V3 or V2? But I got race V2 and I will show you my proof. I'm gonna grind to level 1000 in the next video so that I could get a big a second a big another waste of like a million 2,000 Robux for the dough and spirit fruit, and it's got 4,000 Robux because it's spirit 3,000 Robux or 4,000. Or is it 2,000? I don't know. Well, where's that? Oh yeah, alchemist. And this is how you get your V2. You gotta finish the Barlito quest, aka the what is it? The Coliseum quest, and you gotta be level 850 or more to do the quest, and then you gotta defeat the spring user of the Swan Pirates. First, you kill 50 Swan Pirates. You free the prisoners from the Coliseum in second scene, and then you have to. And then once you finish freeing them, then you gotta defeat the Jeremy boss. But you gotta talk to him like over and over again to get the quest for the other stuff. And then once you finish that, you gotta talk to the alchemist. You gotta get all the blue, red, and yellow flowers, and then you gotta and then you can't die while you're getting the flowers, or you lose your flowers. But the red flower spawns during the day, the blue flower spawns during the night, and you get the most luck for the yellow flower if you kill an NPC in the green island, but yellow flower for killing an NPC. And then for killing an NPC, you gotta talk to this guy again. And then you need like 500,000, I think, and give it to him. And then you get your V2. But then you can't talk to him again, and then he just scams you and says, thanks for the money. Anyone has V2. I know, you know what I'm talking about. Well, I am, that's only about a V2 in Blacksmith. I'm gonna start recording like a million doing Black Fruits videos because I'm not really that popular with no subscribers. Please subscribe, like the video, because I only have 4,000 subscribers. I keep getting unsubscribed too, and I just need some Robux. I can't even get any art color or anything. So if you like and subscribe to me, I can get some Robux and buy fragments. That's all I need. And money. 1 million money. I don't care if I already have 1 million money. And I also need dough and spirit fruit because I want to try and be a good being. Like, be a perfect being. Like, with Angel V4. Like, what's that angel fighting style? Well, that kind of angel fighting style. And I need to control the good and evil with the spirit fruit, and I want good PvP so I can change over to go if I want to PvP and I'm not too good. And then once I change over to go, then I need some reinforcements with my V4 and that fighting style of mine, and then I can just be free with my stuff. And also I need to have, like, what's the sword that I need? A sword. I don't know the sword. I'll just get the dough fruit store. So I'll get the spiky trident. I'll be good. And so I need that much Robux. I don't know how much that's worth. Tell me in the comments. And see you in the next video.